I never get to tell my story. Too many bullet holes. It would take a miracle. These voices inside my head like poison, trying to steal my hope, silencing my soul. But my story is only now beginning. Don't try to write my ending. Nobody gets to sing my song. This is the sound of surviving. This is my farewell to fear. This is my whole heart deciding I'm still here. I'm still here. And I'm not done fighting. This is the sound of surviving. These pieces, the ones that left me bleeding, intended for my pain, became the gift you gave me. I gathered those pieces into a mountain. My freedom is in view. I'm stronger than